I just had to show you guys this garden that we built a couple of years ago. And if you remember, we put this concrete block to help kind of build up the soil around our greenhouse, and it had a lot of aggregate in it. And so we wanted to put something that was drought tolerant. And what we ended up doing was taking some cuttings from a Province lavender that we had in another bed, and we took several cuttings and then planted it a year ago last spring. So they had 1 year to grow out. This is the second year to grow on these lavenders, and look how great they look. They just look absolutely stunning, and are doing that job of not only softening the edge of our greenhouse, but of course inviting in a lot of pollinators as well. Now, something about this that we sort of did too to kind of help transition it through that season was earlier in the season we actually had some different alliums planted in here, Sputnik, and then also Universe, some of the larger ornamental allium bulbs. And then you can see we still have some residual chives that were blooming earlier. And then we also had chamomile. So having those ornamental alliums planted, and then also the chives and the chamomile, made quite a display early on in the season before the lavender really took off. Now, we also have another allium still planted that you can see down in there that is the Millennium allium. And it's still just now starting to come on, so it's got buds on there, and so it will pick up that display a little bit later. But what I like about it is all of that foliage got tucked away and kind of hidden in with this lavender. So, you know, one of those things about, like, what do you do with that foliage after the flower is blooming? How do you disguise it? And I think we did a fantastic job with this. So I just wanted to share with you how this is looking after 2 years of being planted. It's doing a great job not only highlighting our greenhouse here, but also the pollinators and bees love it as well.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.